Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Joining us in studio this morning, we have Chris Hicks and Aaron Schumann here to tell us about a couple of things going on at your church. First of all, let's welcome you guys from the Faith Lutheran Church.
Yes.
Thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having us.
Now, for about a year and a half, you told me you guys have been doing this Mommy and Me program.
Yes. What it is it's a 1-hour educational play date. So we start out with music and story time, and then we have all different type of centers. So we will have sensory, where they can jump in and get their hands full of shaving cream, rice. We have movement, arts and crafts, and puzzles, educational toys. So everything is set up. The moms, dads, whatever caregivers can come in.
Well, it's called Mommy and Me. It's not just restricted to the mommies.
No,
Yes.
it's not. We have daddies, we have grandmas, and so it's a great way for caregivers, moms, to network with other moms, and the children. They learn very early on socialization, and they have just a wonderful time.
And from what I understand is each session has a different theme.
Yes.
And where can people find out like the list of these themes and when the dates are?
Sure. So what they can do is they can go on to our website at faithlutheran.com, and we have the registration and also each theme, or they can simply drop in. They don't have to pre-register.
And is there a cost to attend?
No, it is absolutely free.
So you do it the first and third
And-
Wednesdays, that's correct? Or
Yes.
Tuesday night, the Tuesday evening
night.
session, and then a Wednesday morning session?
Yep, Tuesday night we have our session from 6 p.m. to 7, and Wednesday morning from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m.
And you guys have another big event coming up this weekend. Of course, it's Easter weekend. Why don't you tell us all about that, Aaron?
Yes, so this Saturday we would like to invite the entire community out to our church grounds. We are located a quarter-mile north of Pickler's Chicken Annie's on Langdon Lane, and we'd like to invite the entire community out to come and enjoy free pancakes beginning at 9:30. The people from church make wonderful pancakes. They got all the toppings, and we would like you to bring your children of any age to come on out to enjoy our also free Easter egg hunt that takes place at 10 o'clock. We have over 10,000 Easter eggs stuffed with candy, all from Hershey's, and so it'll be absolutely fantastic. Every year we have it. We have a ton of kiddos out there, and so we'd like to invite any family from our community out to join us.
So it sounds like an awesome breakfast followed by Easter egg hunt.
Yeah.
He
Yep.
picks the good candy.
Well, that sounds wonderful.
Well, thanks. So
Okay,
it's a great time.
Once again, why don't you tell us the times and where you're located again?
Yes, so 9:30 are the pancakes, which again are free, and then 10 o'clock we have the Easter egg hunt, and we are located, well, at 1233 South 220th Street right here in Pittsburgh, and that is a quarter-mile north of Pickler's Chicken Annie's.
All right, sounds wonderful. Well, thank you two for coming in this
Thank
morning.
you very
Thank
much.
you.
And you can find more information about this on our website. Just go to the morning show link, KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be right back.